traveling from Shillong to Tawang by road is a journey that promises breathtaking views and an unforgettable experience.
Matangin Trep, menilai Tawang. Dia matangin ada hadirang. Menilai Tawang tak. AHOR.
Durang Valley is a paradise for nature lovers. The valley is adorned with gushing rivers and verdant forests, offering plenty of opportunities for trekking, bird watching, and photography. We keep our camera handy to capture the stunning landscapes, quaint villages, and mountain passes, offering awe-inspiring vistas at every turn.
Mentangi lapo yang ni monastery jo ka Tawang ka ba kadai ka second largest in Asia.
गोल जो अच्छा ये हम लोग का लाइफ जो सक्सेस होने के लिए बंका
Tawang Monastery, its imposing structure, intricate architecture, and serene ambience make it a must-visit. Don't miss the chance to witness the monks' prayer rituals and explore the monastery's vast library.
Matangin bumi nang nena Tawang. Menilai sa
Bum lapas.
Bumbla ni bombila. Menilai stay. Nipet ke sekarang lumno.
Kiong and tha kiong and yor.
Tak ada apapun.
Hong impat yor kata yor cha yor re. Time try pisin philip sing jo.
The road journey from Tawang to Madhuri Lake is an adventure in itself, passing through rugged terrain, dense forests, and pristine valleys. It's a great opportunity to soak in the natural beauty of the region and experience the tranquility of the mountains. We stops along the way to appreciate the scenic views.
Zaka kalau internet clean, good stay, so we had a good road drive. And we enjoyed a lot, and this place is awesome. Thank you.
welcome to Shumgatser.
Madhuri Lake, surrounded by pine forests and snow-capped mountains, Madhuri Lake offers breathtaking views and serves as a popular tourist destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike.